In this video, you'll see me cleaning out one of my daughter's cupboards. And I'm also going to do a voiceover because for some reason I had no volume either. And I speeded up and it was sped up really fast. Anyhow, I think I corrected it enough so that we can watch the video. Hi everyone, it's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies, and as I played back this video, I realized I videoed it in really fast speed, so I slowed it down, hoping that it would still work. So hopefully it's okay. This is Tiny Tidy Tuesday, and it's hosted by our wonderful Sunday Dawn, and we have many ladies who participate. And they will be listed in my comments as usual. And if you like this content, please subscribe. So this cupboard is a cupboard that used to be called the craft cupboard, and now it just has a whole bunch of stuff in it. And there was a lot of stuff left over from when we painted her kitchen a few years, well, maybe last October, yeah, a year ago. So I am cleaning out this cupboard and just getting rid of stuff, and I have a blue bin. I'm putting stuff in a blue bin that can go downstairs and get put in its proper home. And some of the stuff, of course, will go in the garbage. So I'm just going to maybe put on a little music and we'll just watch me pull stuff out and sort. And we'll show you the end results. Well, there we go. We got the cupboard all organized and cleaned out and wiped out. And now you can find stuff in there quite easily. And there's room to put more stuff that they need up here. So, that's it. Anyhow, thank you very much. Oh, I'm showing you I've got a little bit of garbage and stuff to go downstairs. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'd like to thank Sunday Dawn and thank everybody for watching. Bye!